Hi guys! I'll share with you our day 1 travel vlog of our Switzerland trip. We spent 4 days and 3 nights in Switzerland. We traveled from Freiburg, Germany to Basel and from Basel to Interlaken, Austria. We booked our train ticket at DB Navigator and SBB mobile app. If you are traveling to Switzerland, you can buy your Swiss train ticket at SBB mobile app. On our way to Interlaken, Austria, we passed by the town of Spitz, which we are amazed by the Lake Thun's bright blue waters. It is one of the bluest lake I've ever seen in my life. Para siyang Listerine Cool Mint kung i-compare mo ang color niya. After 2 hours, we arrived at Interlaken, Austria, and we stayed at Hotel Harder Minerva. Worst hotel na napuntahan namin. For your future travel, huwag kayong mag-book dito. In the afternoon, we explored Interlaken, Austria, and Interlaken is famous for their paragliding activity. Hindi namin siya trinay kasi takot ang fur zone. So dito naggelato lang kami kasi na-stress kami dahil sa hotel. Diyos ko po, Rudy. From Interlaken, Austria, Bahnhof. Bahnhof means train station. We took a train to Lauterbrunnen and we booked our ticket again at SBB mobile app. Travel time to Lauterbrunnen from Interlaken, Austria is around 20 minutes ata yun. Hindi ka maboboard sa biyahe kasi ang ganda ng mga scenery at lahat ng makikita mo. After 20 minutes, we arrive at Lauterbrunnen and by this time, my heart is so happy talaga kasi yung mga nakikita ko sa mga social media platforms about Switzerland ay finally napuntahan ko na with my husband. So dito, naglibot-libot lang kami around the village and ayun, hindi siya masyado nakakapagod kasi worth the visit talaga yung Lauterbrunnen and ang ganda ng mga sceneries. Advice kapag pupunta kayo dito, better you wear something comfortable sa paa kasi puro lakad lang gagawin nyo. If I can clearly remember, naka 20,000 plus steps kami dito ni Nico kasi puro lang talaga siya lakad. A little trivia about Lauterbrunnen is it is a municipality in the Swiss Alps and it is actually known as Valley of 72 Waterfalls. One of the famous falls here in Lauterbrunnen is Staubach Falls. Dito, allowed yung mga tao mag-hike papunta sa likod ng Staubach Falls for free, which you will enjoy talaga kasi ang ganda ng view sa taas. You can get a bird's eye view of the Lauterbrunnen village. So, ayun lang guys, that ends our day 1 vlog and I will put all the breakdown of expenses ng Switzerland trip namin sa part 3. Danke und tschüss!